Lauren and Kyle here, bringing you Real Talk with Freedom Team Realtors, the most scintillating real estate duo in the Fox Cities. And today we want to just have a little discussion about some of the interesting ways that we see people patch holes in homes. There's some best practices that maybe are not always followed. Lauren, what are you seeing?
Oh, yeah, we've seen some good stuff. I think, a couple of the recent examples that come to mind, I've seen people hang like a bed sheet over the hole in the wall.
That's not even trying.
Well, they could have just left it, I guess. I've seen, there was a home recently in Menasha where there was duct tape on the ceiling. I mean, you could see...
Duct tape's valid. Duct tape fixes everything,
but you
right?
could, see the outline of the circle, and then, they just made it, I don't know.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I saw that. And then I think one that, kind of sticks in my mind, which I appreciate and respect, but was what I would call excessive use of great stuff. And so they had taken the great stuff and filled, all these cracks and holes in the wall, which there is nothing wrong with. But then they didn't go back and cut it off all the excess. You know how it kind of explodes when it dries, and so it was just bulging great stuff all over the place. And yeah, it was a good try.
Yes.
What have you seen?
It can be used. I mean, you can take a long bread or kitchen knife really and just saw it off. It's easy to work with that way. My father was big on the great stuff. He had about 50 cans at all times of that, among other things he collected. So I can understand that one. Well, for me, one, I give an A in ingenuity. I saw that they had taken off the top of a soup can and put a couple of nails in it, and they patched a hole on the floor from an old pipe that was removed. Oh. So an A for ingenuity. That one wasn't too bad, But if you're selling your home, none of these are good ideas. So
I've heard of the soup can exhaust repair for your car, but I have maybe
that's what got the ball rolling. It was an old mechanic that was like, these soup cans are great. I keep them around for everything. But you also can do it with puppies.
What?
Hey, patch holes with puppies. That's the house that we got over by my brother-in-law's parents. We bought. They had holes in the ceiling. They had pictures of puppies, Labradors, and they put them up on the ceiling. And that, when we took them off, that was patching all of the holes in the ceiling. So.
Well, I think the moral of the story is we love the creativity and appreciate the laugh, but before you put your home on the market with some of these crazy DIY fixes, maybe get a second opinion on how it will be received.
Hey, call us. We can get you a cheap fix that you don't have to resort to puppies on the ceiling. All right. Thanks for joining us. The Real Talk with Freedom Team Realtors. Until next time.